Hello all, this is a continuation of the previous video which is ANN and CNN classification. ANN code from scratch we have executed and performed before in the before session itself. Now we can do this by one to just show you some difference between the ANN and CNN. In ANN, as I said in the previous video we no need to reshape the data set, but in this CNN, we have to reshape the data set since the CNN will accept only three-dimensional. So in the previous, you may found that there is some errors like count 1D is not defined. This is due to this count 1D layer is not defined. So it is not imported. Now it is imported. So now that this error will not be found. So we have reshaped the data set, but we are not run it. So now we are after compiling this and after training, there may be some error. Here it is there is not some error. If in case some errors are occurring during the reshape means we have to just reshape our data set. Now here it is not giving any error. Now we are just moving with the performance metrics parameters like precision, recall and F1 score for CNN. Everything is showing 1%, that is CNN is showing nearly 100%. But for ANN, you can see we got nearly only 98 or 96% something. We can just check how many percent we got in the accuracy. Here we got nearly 1%, right, in validation accuracy. In ANN, we got nearly only 95%. You can see over here, 95% we got. Now we have to plot the confusion matrix. For that, we are just defining this confusion matrix and calling this over here. Um, So the name confusion matrix is not defined. So we have to define that confusion matrix. For that, we can just check already like we do with the Stack Overflow. The only thing we have to do is we have to import it from the SK matrix library. In SK matrix, already we have done classification report. So we have to add only that here. So now we can run. So now you can see we got the confusion matrix graph, but some iteration tools is not defined. So here we can just, we have to define the iteration tools also. Name error means we have to just import that. So it will be just sort out. So now you can find the confusion matrix graph. So if you want to give x-axis y label means you have to just give this x label and y label over here, and then the title for this here you have to give an over here. Then we can just since I said in the previous video we are going to compare ANN and CNN. We are just using the values of both ANN and CNN, and now we are just making to compare it. You can notice that we are calling both the ANN value and also the CNN value. This is the ANN value and this is the CNN value. Uh, this is for validation accuracy. Here we are just comparing validation accuracy only. In case if you need to check testing accuracy also, you can just add a graph and you can just import testing accuracy also. Because we have to check the validation accuracy only for a better system. So in this case, we are just working with only validation accuracy. You can see for the CNN, you can see a vast improvement when compared to ANN. So this is the code comparison for both the Kitty ANN and CNN from scratch. with the kidney disease data set. So in the next video, we can found some other MATLAB or Python or Vika's tutorial. Thank you.